Hello guys, come with us to the pavilion. So Sponono knows her name. So the first thing that we did, we went bowling, which is so much fun. Here we're just taking pictures, silly face, sad face, victory face, your best side, and we all took turns to take pictures. And then it was time. Not that I won, guys. I didn't win. And guess who was first? The Sponono. The Sponono of the country went first. And she won overall. Like when we were all leaving, she's the one who had the highest score. I think it was like 90 something or something. But then obviously she had the guardrails up, which gave her advantage, you know. So and she had the help of mom. Then it was me, guys. I had the second lowest score. It was Brad, then me. Okay, I got 71 points, and Brad had like 54 or something like that. And then there's my sister. Yeah, and then we played until we all finished. And then we went to have dinner. We had Burger King, and listen to this one. Who taught him to say such things? Because it wasn't me. I don't teach him to say such stuff. I slapped this one by mistake, and she decided to scream. Then we went back home, and yeah, they went into the booth. That's Uncle Reese. His new name is Mobi. That's Sinkwa. That's my dad, Sinkwa. That's my Uncle Reese. On our way home, we were jamming hard. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed that.